Good morning. Well, it is May 28th, and Noreen and I just got up, so we're getting ready to go to her doctor's appointments, and we'll bring you along. I don't know, not in the doctor's appointments, but we'll bring you along for the day and see what happens. And yeah, today my new grandson is exactly 1 month old. Aston's got his first month birthday. So anyway, we'll see you a little bit later. Hello. Well, we were at the hospital all day and I did not vlog at all. But we are at the bus depot in Toronto, and I look across and they're filming a movie. I'm not sure what movie, but it's kind of interesting. But I don't want to go out in the rain to go and find out. So that's kind of cool. Neat. Oh, fire's gone. Well, that was short-lived. So we're sitting here waiting in the bus depot still. There's a security guard over at that bathroom over there. Yeah, a few minutes ago we saw a guy and a girl going in there. So we're not sure what's going on. Yeah, right. Excitement in the bus depot. Oh, gotta have fun. He's trying to get the nerve up to knock, I think. Anyway, let's see some excitement. Oh, he just knocked. Yeah, he just caught them. The guy walked out on her and left her with the security guard. Oh, so much entertainment. Got some baby birds. Aww. They're wrapping up across the street. There's the bus depot.